Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Apple Watch Hermès watch band. So this comes in a nice orange package. Here's what the back looks like. This is the, as you can see down here, the Gris Meyer single tour band, designed by Apple in California, assembled in France. All right, let's check this out. Nice pull tab, high quality over here. Wow. Oh, this is a super nice unboxing experience. So the plastic just peels off, and show you the back so it's more clear now. All right, let's do this. Set this aside. Comes in this nice gray case. It's really nice. Then over here, we got the instruction manual, I believe. Yep, just some paperwork. Probably don't care about that. Here we go. Wow. Really high quality leather. Yeah, this feels really great. Let me bring it up closer. Cool. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. I got more of these watch bands to unbox in the near future, so follow along if you want to see more. All right, everyone, take care. Later.